Hi friends, welcome to my channel. First question: who is the first and last Indian Governor General of India? The right answer is C. Rajagopalachari. Second question: who is the first Lok Sabha Speaker? The right answer is G.V. Malavankar. Third question: who designed Indian national flag? The answer is Pingali Venkaiah. Fourth one: who among the following appointed the Governor of the States of India? The answer is the President. Fifth question: how many schedules are contained in the Constitution of India? The answer is 12 schedules. For more videos, please follow my channel. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.